Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1152, error extracting files to temporary location, the install shield error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type temp temp and hit enter. Click on continue. Okay. Right click in the open space. Select show more options. Select properties. Uncheck the box associated with read only. Click on apply. Click on OK. Click on OK. Return to the Windows folder. Right click on the temp folder. Delete it. Click on continue. Delete it. Okay. As much as you can, and then your problem will be fixed, because now whatever files you create will be created such that they are not read only, and then you won't have any problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.